wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 6 best tabletop wet grinders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The Vidiem dual clear drum leaves less residue in the bowl than most models, so you won't need to use a spatula to get out the last of your food and won't feel like you're wasting ingredients. Its dual wipers help to create a more uniform grind. It fits in most kitchen cabinets, however it doesn't create a very smooth batter and the housing feels low quality. At number 5, the Ultra Big Plus features cone-shaped grinding stones built to reduce wear and tear on the unit. Plus, it's made from rust-proof materials with a stainless steel drum, so you don't need to worry about leaving damp foods in it. It's nearly vibration-free and great for making nut butter. It's backed by a 5-year warranty on the motor. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Premier 2.0L is perfect for creating flavorful pastes and chutneys. Plus, it's capable of turning vegetables into pulp for making creamy soups. It has a tilting base so you can pour heavy recipes into a container with less hassle. Its durable stone grinder won't chip and the bowl is removable for cleaning. However, it takes up a lot of counter space. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for tabletop wet grinders or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the SS Premier is available in 2 colors, so hopefully you can find one to match your kitchen, and all of its plastic components are BPA free. Despite its relatively small size, it's actually quite powerful and should have no trouble grinding any ingredients you use. It's got a 2-liter capacity and runs at a high RPM. It gives batters a smooth consistency. At number 2, get ready to make all the curry pastes and soup bases you want with the Ultra Dura Plus. Its bright purple lid is made from food-grade plastic, and the tough stainless steel bin has a 1 1/4 liter capacity. Plus, it's designed to produce minimal noise and vibrations. It comes with a helpful user's manual and is perfect for making chapati flour. It achieves a fine grind in 15 minutes. And taking the top spot on our list, the SS Premier Small Wonder is a versatile choice that can be used in wet or dry grinding applications. Its drum is easy to remove for thorough cleaning, and it can handle extra large batches without overheating the motor, as long as you add the ingredients bit by bit. It's great for making batters and stands up to heavy daily use. Its compact design fits on most counters. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for tabletop wet grinders or simply click beneath this video.